Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and felt that the world does not look as clear as it used to? Maybe the words in a book look slightly blurry. Maybe road signs are harder to read. Maybe bright lights bother your eyes more than before. And the serious question is this: after 60, are you only losing sharp vision because of age, or is your body quietly asking for better eye support? Don't worry. This video will help you understand simple natural drinks that may support your eye health in a safe and steady way. Maybe this is the kind of simple information you have been waiting for your whole life, because many seniors only think about glasses, but forget that the eyes also need daily nourishment from inside. Today, we are going to talk about 4 powerful liquids that may help support healthy vision, protect the eyes from daily stress, and maintain clearer-looking sight as you age. These are not miracle cures, but when used carefully with a healthy lifestyle, they may support your eyes step by step. Before we go deeper, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below where you are watching from. Your eyes work for you every single day. Now it is time to understand how to support them. Number 4. Saffron-infused water may sound simple, but saffron is one of the most interesting natural ingredients for eye health. Saffron contains natural compounds called crocin and quercetin. These are antioxidants, which means they help protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like tiny daily damage that can build up over time, especially as we get older. Now imagine your eyes like a camera. If the lens and inner parts of the camera are not protected, the picture may slowly lose sharpness. In the same way, after 60, the eyes need more support because they face light, screen use, pollution, poor sleep, and normal age-related changes every day. Saffron-infused water may help support the health of the retina, which is the light-sensitive part at the back of the eye. The retina helps you see shapes, colors, and details. When seniors talk about blurry vision, tired eyes, or weak focus, the retina and blood flow to the eyes are often important areas to support. Here is a short real-life example. A 66-year-old man loves reading the newspaper every morning, but slowly he notices that small words feel harder to focus on. He does not ignore it. He visits his eye doctor, checks his glasses, improves his sleep, drinks more water, and starts learning about eye-supporting foods and drinks like saffron water. The key is not one magical drink. The key is daily care from many sides. Saffron water is usually made by soaking a few strands of saffron in warm water. It should be used in a small amount because saffron is strong and more is not always better. Seniors who take medicines, have low blood pressure, allergies, eye disease, or any medical condition should speak with a doctor before using it regularly. Number 3. Amla gooseberry juice is one of those old natural drinks that many people know but very few understand deeply. Amla, also called Indian gooseberry, is famous because it contains a high amount of vitamin C, and for seniors, vitamin C is not only about immunity, it also helps support the tiny tissues inside the eyes. The eye lens needs steady protection as we age. This lens helps light pass through clearly so we can see better shapes, colors, and words. But after 60, daily stress, sunlight, weak diet, and aging can affect how fresh and supported the eyes feel. This is where amla juice becomes interesting because vitamin C helps support the body's natural defense against oxidative stress. Think of your eyes like a clean window. When the window is clear, light passes through easily, but when dust slowly builds up, everything outside starts looking dull. Amla does not clean the eye like a cloth cleans glass, but it supports the body from inside so the eye tissues can stay healthier for longer. Here is a simple example. A senior woman loves stitching clothes for her grandchildren. For years, she could thread a needle easily, but now she notices that small work feels more tiring for her eyes. Instead of ignoring it, she improves the light in her room, takes short breaks, blinks more often, and drinks warm fennel tea after dinner. The tea becomes a calm part of her night routine, not just for taste, but for comfort. Fennel contains natural plant compounds and nutrients that may support the body's antioxidant defenses. This matters because the eyes are delicate. They work all day, from the moment you wake up until you sleep. Even when you're just walking, cooking, reading, or looking at your phone, your eyes are constantly active. What makes fennel tea interesting is the feeling of calm it brings to the routine. Warm tea, slow breathing, and a few minutes away from bright screens can help seniors give their eyes a small rest, and sometimes the smallest habits are the ones people ignore the most. Number 1. Marigold flower tea. This one is special because it connects directly with the part of the eye that helps you see clear details. That means reading small words, seeing faces, looking at road signs, and noticing fine things around you. This drink is marigold flower tea. Marigold flowers contain two important eye-supporting nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin. These are natural pigments that collect in the macula, the central part of the retina. In simple words, the macula helps you see the middle part of your vision clearly. When you read a message, recognize someone's face, or look at a clock, your macula is working. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin like soft internal sunglasses for your eyes. They help support natural protection from harsh light and daily stress. This is why marigold flower tea becomes so interesting for seniors after 60. Your eyes have spent many years facing sunlight, screens, dust, weak sleep, and normal aging changes, so giving them steady support from inside can be a smart daily habit. Here's a simple example. A senior woman loves looking at old family photos. One evening, she notices the faces in the pictures don't feel as sharp as before. Instead of feeling hopeless, she starts building a better eye care routine. She sits near proper light, takes breaks from screens, eats colorful vegetables, and adds eye-supporting drinks like marigold flower tea to her routine. The change is not about one cup, it's about daily care. This is the biggest lesson from today's video. Your eyes do not ask for attention only when something goes wrong. They need care every day. Saffron water supports natural eye protection. Amla juice supports vitamin C and healthy tissues. Fennel tea brings a soothing routine for tired eyes. And marigold flower tea supports lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients strongly connected with healthy vision. This video is for informational and educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please keep in mind that health risks and the impact of these habits can vary significantly based on an individual's age, overall physical condition, and existing medical history. What affects a person over 60 might be different for someone younger. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which drink you would like to learn more about next. Your eyes have helped you see life for so many years. Now it is time to support them with care, patience, and simple daily habits.